video I'll talk about a must-have application, which is of course rooted application, and you guys already know about that, which is data backup. Another update is available. So let's get it started. And previously I made on that data backup video, so you guys can check their previous videos how to take backup and other things, but I will show you again here in that video. So watch till the end. Let's get it started. First of all, download the file from the given link in description. This is data backup 1.0 alpha. Just install this one, and I'm using here Android 13 raised right now. So first of all, try to install this, and when you are done, it will ask for root permission. Just open the application like this. When you are done, just try to grant all the permission, and here you can see start network and application and storage, everything. Just click on arrow and update records. This is it, app 1.0 alpha, and previously we had this and this. These are the updates actually we had. And this is the environment detection, which grant root access. First of all, click on it, and when you are done, just root permission is done. Release pre-built binaries, just click on it. Just click on active bash rc, then check storage permission, of course allow this, then storage management permission, and then check permit users access. Then you are good to go. Just click on that arrow, and now this is the final user interface of that application, which is changed and which is minimal, very simple and user friendly. So I recommend you guys to install this app immediately. If your device is rooted and you always keep changing custom ROMs, then this is a must-have application. So I will show you how to take backup and how to restore, and in this update you guys can take backup of your media files like photos, videos, and other files. So let me show you that. First of all, let me take a backup of one application. First of all, click on that backup. You can take backup according to your choice, which application you want to take backup. And I just want to show you right now the Telegram application, which is 9.4.9 and 105 megabyte. So I'm selecting that one. When you are done, just click on arrow button, and it will take your backup, and you guys can select that backup directory storage like this, and by default you guys will get one folder which is data backup, and you guys can take that backup on your internal storage and external storage as well. So it's taking backup. It will take everything, your app data, and you don't need to log in again. Just when you restore it, it will work. Just you have to allow permission. So we are done, and let me show you. I have that application here, which is Telegram, and of course I forgot to share with you guys some unusual reason I had lost my previous group, which was Redmi 7Y3, and of course which is already deleted, and you guys will not get me on Telegram. I already opened a new account, and of course new group as well, which is AT official. You guys can check description for the link. Of course join Telegram again. So I'm uninstalling this application. So application is uninstalled. Now let me open that application. So I already took backup of that Telegram application, so it's time to restore. Just click on restore button and click on arrow, again arrow, and restore finished, which is really cool. Now let me show you the application is available or not, and it will be available soon. I have to just restart my device. Sorry, I forgot to select. Just click on that buttons. Now click on arrow again, and it's taking the backup restoring. So it's done. Everything is perfect. Now let me show you application is back here. Just open it, and it will ask just a permission, and it will not ask anything more. So that's it. This is the way you guys can take backup of the applications, and of course you guys can take backup of media. I don't have media right now, but I have some pictures like 1.7 megabyte. Let me show you that thing as well. If you click on that, it will take full folder backup. So 1.7 MB, it's totally done. And if I want to take backup after deleting the folder, just click on the restore button and select that option and then click on arrow sign, and it is done. So this is the really great application, and I recommend you guys to use this one. And dynamic colors can be changed if you want to, and some kind of compression type you guys can use that as well. And of course backup directory can be changed from here, which is unsupported format right now. So I recommend you guys to take the backup in internal storage and then copy that backup file to your external SD card, and then of course you can take backup easily, no issues with that. And these are the some features or options, whatever you say. So this is the applications. Hope you guys understand the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon.